mod guy right here, you two should do what?
Move forward.
Move out, right? And so that's what you're checking for. Leaders, when you come down, PL's going right to the center where he thinks the main cache is, the box. He's coming right there. He goes, 360, 360. I'm in there and holler 360. That lets everybody know what's going on, right? Come in there, 360, 360. Alpha leader, you moving up on your people and you making sure they're in place. And you let him know, Alpha's good. Alpha's good. Right? Bravo leader, you're doing the same thing. You check it out, Bravo's good. And y'all are moving in to see what we need to do to get these supplies packed and out of here. Right?